Right, so I'm doing this video to give you a quick tour of the new mobile editor that's about to be released. So the operation of the editor hasn't changed. Mobilization still works the same way, but when you click into the mobile editor, you'll notice everything is a lot bigger. This is because the editor has grown from 320 pixels wide to 480 pixels wide. Phones are getting bigger and they have bigger screens, but also they've got more variety of screen sizes, and we wanted to make sure our mobile pages are more adaptive to the different models of phone now in the market. And so rather than publishing a page at 320 pixels and then the screen having guttering when the phone had a higher resolution, which is becoming more and more common, we'll now publish the page at 480 pixels and apply intelligent scaling for all smaller screen sizes. This means you'll always design your page at 480, but if your viewer's got a 400 pixel resolution, it'll be scaled down to fit that size of screen. If they've got a 360 resolution, it'll be scaled to fit that size of screen, and so on. What you won't get is unexpected reflowing. What you'll see in the editor will still be exactly what people see on their screen, just shrunk to fit. This also means you'll now only get the guttering if the phone screen has a resolution greater than 480 pixels. Of course, because it's published at 480, any guttering you do see will be greatly reduced. By increasing the number of pixels available, we've also been able to give you a bit more control over sizing. Compared to the desktop view, you'll see elements and text scaled up to about 150% when you enter the mobile view, so text in particular is likely to look bigger than you might expect. This is because pixels on a mobile screen are smaller than pixels on a desktop screen. Now, this is one of the simplifications I use that give our dev team very pained expressions, but as a rough guide, 18-point text on mobile displays at about the same size as 12-point text on desktop. So by scaling things to 150%, we're ensuring things appear at about the same size on mobile and desktop screens. This means the text scaling function now goes up to 150%, and rather than moving in 5% jumps, it now moves at 2.5% jumps, and this will give you far more control over the sizing. A good way of thinking about it is to treat what you see here as a zoomed-in view of the mobile display. And of course, this will also let you be far more precise when designing your mobile page. So I think that's all the major changes. As with any change, it might take a bit of getting used to, but I do believe you'll find it a lot easier and get better results from this new system. And of course, you'll have a far better idea of what viewers will see on your mobile page, regardless of what phone they're using. We're updating our help videos as I record this. I mean, they might even be done by the time you see it, but obviously if you have any questions, feel free to ask in support or the Facebook group. We are more than happy to help you out. So, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.